Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best anchors for cinder block that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Tanbupu 190 PCS conical concrete wall anchors and screws assortment kit. This kit is a solid choice for those tackling small home projects, offering a well-rounded mix of 95 wall anchors and 95 self-tapping screws, along with 3 drill bits for easy installation. The anchors are made of high-strength PE material, which is both durable and flexible, ensuring that they won't break under pressure. The screws are crafted from carbon steel, providing good rust and corrosion resistance. In terms of design, the clear storage box included in the kit helps keep everything organized and portable. While the anchors and screws are capable of holding up to 75 pounds, they are best suited for lightweight projects like mounting curtain rods, mirrors, and picture frames. Installation is straightforward. Drill the hole, insert the anchor, and screw in the fastener. However, the build quality, while sufficient for light-duty use, might not inspire confidence for more demanding applications. The Tanbupu kit is affordable and versatile for homeowners who need a basic solution for occasional use. That said, the performance is less impressive for more heavy-duty tasks, and the included drill bits may not be the highest quality. Overall, this kit is ideal for lightweight applications and occasional DIYers. But serious professionals may want to look elsewhere. Coming in at number 4, we have the VGBY 180 PCS conical concrete anchors and screws assortment kit. This kit includes a mix of 90 anchors and 90 screws, as well as 2 drill bits, making it a decent option for small to medium-sized projects. The anchors are made from durable PE plastic that expands well during installation, and the screws are galvanized to resist rust and corrosion, which is great for humid environments. The design of this kit is practical and user-friendly. The anchors and screws are organized in a compact box, and the included drill bits are compatible with the anchors, simplifying the installation process. The screws are sturdy and capable of holding up to 75 pounds, which makes this kit a good choice for mounting shelves, light fixtures, or art pieces. However, the PE anchors, while effective, may not hold up as well as higher-end alternatives in very heavy-duty applications. The VGBY kit provides good value for its price, and its ease of use makes it appealing for casual DIYers. However, if you're working on larger-scale or professional projects, you might find the anchor's strength and durability to be limiting. It's a great kit for everyday household tasks, but not the most robust solution on the market. At number 3, we have the Wensilon 30 PCS 1/4 x 1 1/4 slotted hex head concrete screw anchors. These screws are designed for medium-duty applications and are made from high-quality carbon steel with a blue rust-resistant finish. They feature a unique diamond point for quick and precise drilling into masonry, brick, and cinder block materials. The build quality of these screws is solid, with a slotted hex head design that makes installation easier, especially in tighter spaces. However, with only 30 pieces included in the package, this product is more suited for smaller projects like mounting light fixtures or securing furniture. The screws are durable and resistant to wear, but the lack of versatility compared to larger kits might be a downside for some users. What sets the Wensilon screws apart is their simplicity and effectiveness in specific applications. They're an excellent choice for professionals or DIYers who need a reliable set of screws for occasional masonry work. That said, the limited quantity and lack of accessories like drill bits make this product less appealing for larger or more varied projects. In second place, we have the Bobby 1/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch hex head concrete screw anchors. This is a robust set of 100 screws designed for heavy-duty applications. Made from 1022A high-quality carbon steel, these screws feature a blue rustberg coating for enhanced corrosion resistance and a diamond tail for faster and more efficient drilling. The Bobby screws stand out for their high fixation ability, making them ideal for securing materials to concrete, masonry, or cinder blocks. The external hex head design allows for greater torque during installation, which is a big plus for professionals. The screws come packaged in a durable, food-grade PP plastic box, ensuring they stay organized and easy to transport. This product is perfect for contractors or homeowners tackling larger projects. The 100-piece count means you'll have plenty of screws for multiple tasks, and their durability ensures long-term reliability. The only downside is that this set doesn't include drill bits, so you'll need to have the appropriate tools on hand. Overall, this is an excellent choice for anyone looking for high-performance concrete anchors. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Fisher Duo Power 1/4 inch by 1 3/16 SPH Universal Plug Kit. This kit features 50 high-quality plugs and 50 screws, making it a highly versatile solution for a variety of materials, including concrete, bricks, drywall, and chipboard. The standout feature is its intelligent two-component technology, which ensures optimal performance whether you're securing materials in solid or hollow structures. The design of the Fisher Duo Power plugs is particularly impressive. The combination of red and gray components ensures that the anchor adapts perfectly to the material it's being installed in, providing maximum holding power. The narrow edge design prevents the plug from slipping too deep into the drill hole, which is a thoughtful touch for precision work. The feedback during installation is excellent, giving you confidence that the anchor is securely seated. The Fisher Duo Power Kit offers premium performance and ease of use, making it ideal for both professionals and serious DIYers. While the price may be higher than some competitors, the quality and versatility justify the investment. Whether you're mounting heavy fixtures or working with delicate materials, this kit delivers consistent and reliable results, making it the best overall choice for cinder block anchors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.